Yeah, good day once again. This is Famous Beat once again. So here is how to generate caption automatically in CapCut. So this is what I'm working with now. So let me drag it and let me listen to what this is saying. So
Nice one. It's fine as long as you're okay. It's recorded, yeah?
Hello
again.
And let me start from this particular place. So
Hello again, and it's your boy again, PK, the font entertainer, a worried boy to the London, and you're not the founder.
So if you want to automatically generate caption for this, you go to this caption button here. So you click on template and wait for it to load and to show you diverse of templates you can pick. So this junction, I'll need to pick this particular one here. So let me click on it. So first you need to download it because you don't have it already on your system. So first I need to download it. So when I click download it, now you see this option here, generate caption. So this option here, this is where you're going to click. So it's very simple. Just click on it and it will automatically generate what the person is saying. So it's going to automatically generate it, so which I'm going to try now. So this is it. So we have to give it time for it to load.
Hello again, and it's your boy again, PK, the font entertainer.
You can see. Let me zoom it so you can see.
Hello again, and it's your boy again, PK, the font entertainer, a worried boy to the London.
So that is how simple it is to generate caption in CapCut. So it's very simple, guys. You need to try it out and see how it's going to change the look of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Until we meet in our next video. Thank you guys.